What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one is interesting because I got a request. They liked my series Black and One Other Color, but they wanted me to do cyan. So this is the last one in the series. It's going to be Black and Cyan. So I hope you guys enjoy. After this, I'm going to start a body of work series. I hope you enjoy them. I'm going to be picking different things that inspire me. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this one. Again, Black, Cyan. All right? Let's get started. Hope everybody's having a good July 3rd. Fireworks are already starting around my house. So I'm going to have to take my dog away tomorrow night. Go find a place somewhere around an airport or something where they can't launch fireworks. Because my dog is scared of them. Sorry, gotta put you in frame here. So what I'm gonna have to do is drive to like a hotel near the airport where I know they can't launch fireworks. And hopefully it won't scare him too much. All right. All right. So I hope everybody does have a safe and happy 4th. If you're going to drink, please drink responsibly. Please don't drive. Because I really do like seeing y'all around. All right. I don't really know what to say. I apologize. So here we go. Swirl it around. Move the paint around a little bit. Ready? There it is. All right. Give it a little swirl at the bottom there. All right. Let's tilt and let's tilt. Tilt and stretch. Tilt and stretch. Now, the series I did was on 8x8, but I ran out of 8x8. So I'm doing this on a 10x10. Which, now that I think about it, I should have done 10x10 because the colors come out better. If I'm being 100% honest. And I'm liking this. I really am liking this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I do like it. I'll tilt a little more. Let's open that up a little bit more. Bring in a little bit more of the blue in this corner right here. All right, that should be okay right there. Oh, there it is right there. What do you guys think? I know this is a short video and I apologize for that, but I'm starting to get a migraine, so I decided to do a quick video just to do the request that I was asked to do. So I figured I'd knock this out real quick before the 4th so I can enjoy my 4th as well. So with that being said, what do you guys think? Black and Cyan. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I hope you like it because I do like it. If I'm being honest, I like that right there. It's, you know, forms into like a vortex or like a river type deal, all flowing into one spot. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? What do you guys see? That's a better question. Let me know in the comments because I do like when I hear different opinions and different visions. I like that. I like that. I love hearing other people's interpretations. So Leave a message in the comments. What do you like about this? What do you don't like about this? Do you have a name for it? Do you like the colors? Let me know in the comments, guys and gals. All right. All right. Well, you guys have a good 4th. Take care. Be safe. And I'll see you guys on Friday when I do another video. All right. Take care. Peace.